Page Control enables you to easily add tabbed pages to your website. While you can use the tab control to display navigation tabs, you can't populate each tab with custom content. The Page Control solves this by providing you with an out-of-the-box solution that allows you to create ASPX-powered tabbed pages with ease. In this video, you'll learn how to manually create 3 tab pages and add some custom content to them. I'll start with a new ASP.NET application. I've already prepared a set of small images that will be used within the tab headers. From the toolbox, I drag and drop a new ASPxPageControl onto the page. I click on the Tab Pages link to invoke the Tab Page Editor. For this demo, I'll create 3 tabs. I click on a button to create a new tab. I'll set its caption to Canada, expand the tab image property, and set its URL property to the appropriate image file that I'd copied to the website earlier. I'll repeat the same steps for the other 2 items. I'll create one for USA and specify the corresponding tab image. And I'll create a 3rd tab for Japan. And I'm done. I click OK to close the Tab Page Editor. I select the page control and set its width to 450 pixels and its height to 150 pixels. From the toolbox, I drag and drop a Memo Edit control onto the page content area of the Canada tab. I set the width and height properties of the Memo Edit control to 100%, so it fills the entire available area of the tab page. Finally, for the text, I'll populate the control with a few lines from Wikipedia describing the country of Canada. I'll repeat the same steps for USA, and finally populate the tab page for Japan. I select the page control and set the Tab Align property to right. This changes the positioning of the tabs. I also specify the tab that will be selected by default at runtime. This is done using the Active Tab Index property of the tab control. I'll specify the index 2 so that Japan is selected by default. I run the application to see the results. I click on each tab, and you can see the corresponding content displayed within its tab page. Now let's see how to change between tabs as the mouse cursor hovers over them. I close the web browser and return to Visual Studio. I select the control and set its Active Tab Page Action property to mouse over. This property specifies which action forces the tab to be selected within the page control. I run the application again. When I hover over each tab, the tab is selected and the corresponding content is displayed within its tab page. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.